Hello, today we're going to continue considering the past paper 2025 November Analysis and Approaches High-Level Paper 1 and question number 6. So let's make a short overview. We have a 6-mark question with a given linear equation by given the equations, and we see that we have a alpha and beta inside the one of the equation. It means that we have to do something with this, and really we have to find the value of alpha and beta with the following condition. System has infinite number of solutions. First of all, what to do here is to make the system of equation. We have to make the matrix of coefficient. Let's construct the matrix. So 1, 0, -1 is from the first equation. Yeah, since coefficient of z is -1, coefficient of y is 0, and it is equal to 4. The same way we do the next coefficients. We don't need to write equal sign. So actually we have to make augmented matrix with the coefficients 1, 2, alpha and beta. Okay, now we have a matrix, augmented matrix, and we have to convert it into triangular form. Okay, let's do that. So let's leave the first matrix as itself. So we will have -1, 4. Now we will multiply the first equation by -2 and add with the second equation to get the 0 under the first one. So 0 here, then 2, then 3, then 6. Okay, and similar way we do with the last row. So we will multiply the last one by -2 and add with the second one. Or I will multiply just by 2 and subtract with the... No, if we will consider, it is much easier way. Just subtract. Let's make a subtraction. We will subtract row 3 minus row 1. 0, 2, alpha plus 1, beta minus 4. Okay, and 2 zeros are obtained, you see, and we have to make this 0 here. Now let's continue. So we will write next way: 1, just copy, then the second one just copy, and the last one, what we will do, let's subtract row 3 minus row 2 from the previous step. So 0, alpha plus 1 minus 3 is -2, and beta minus 10. Okay, now for this part of the solution you will obtain half of the solution, maybe 4 marks out of 6. And now we need to find what values of alpha and beta make our system has infinite solutions. We will have infinite solution if the alpha and beta will be 0, right? So by other words, 0 times z is equal to 0. For number of z, for z could be any value. It means that that's how the infinite solutions appears. It means that our alpha minus 2 equals 0 and beta minus 10 is equal to 0. Alpha minus 2 is equal to 0, alpha is equal to 2, beta minus 10 is equal to 0, and beta is equal to 2. So our answer is alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 10. I consider that this question not so challenging. Yeah, you know what to do here, and you will obtain 6 marks completely. Subscribe to my other social networks. See you in the next lesson. Good luck.